Assalamu alaikum guys, this is my new channel Apple Pie. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new notifications for my videos. So let's start with this first recipe, how to make easy and fluffy coffee. So here are the 4 ingredients. You need coffee beans, 2 to 3 sachets, 1 cup of hot milk, sugar according to your taste, water a few drops only. Now pour 2 to 3 sachets of coffee beans in a cup. Now add sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons or according to your taste. Now add a few drops of water and mix it well. Now let it stay for 10 minutes. Now whip it for 10 minutes and its consistency should be like this. Just make sure it should not be too runny. Now add this mixture into a hot cup of milk and stir it well. Dissolve the mixture. Now see, here your group 4 coffee is ready. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like my video. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.